7Y299.
Oh my god. Whoa! Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap.
Okay.
Yep.
Is the gold standard in the community. Correct? And it took Kim K to make it cross over. Why is that? Because she's lying. Let's go back to our sponsor and take a commercial break. When we come back, we'll learn how to take the good out of all of these easy green. I don't know about you guys.
Fucking idiot, bro.
Laser car wash in Alaska. Oh my god. Fuck. I got it on camera.
You can't now.
Donald Glover's Major Health Scare. Before you...
Fuck, man! Why? Why?
New Harper celebrate for the Kennedys Tatiana Schlossberg, granddaughter of President Kennedy, daughter of Caroline, and mother of 2 young children. She has her terminal cancer diagnosis. Digital Fast Pass. When you're 20 planning to fly this week, make sure to chase out the new Digital ID. Let's speed up your time on TSA line. We are flipping into the week. The Cowboys coming up big from behind. Sanders is looking long. He's got a man. Let's take a quarterback. Noah Sanders with a big win. And it was a wicked good weekend at the box office.
Bloody fucking hell, bro. Jesus Christ.
Watch the light! No! Watch the light! Watch the light, asshole!
Right.
Yeah, it was pretty scary. I'm sure it was pretty scary to be on a big ship with an Argentinian ship shooting the whatever guns it do. But it is difficult to be like, oh,
Bitkilerle ilgili alışveriş yapmak için girdiğiniz dükkanlarda o dekoratif deniz kabuklarından büyük bir algı belirtiyorsunuz. Bu sorunun cevabı size bir ipucu verecektir. İkinci soru ise hangi işkenceye katlanmaya gönüllüsünüz? Jerry Seinfeld büyük bir komedyen olmak için
He didn't provide additional information about the meeting or the exact location. The Kremlin didn't immediately respond to a request for comment. European officials expressed serious reservations about Putin's proposals, which would require that Ukraine hand over eastern Ukraine, a region known as the Donbass, without Russia committing to much other than stopping fighting. The offer, which Putin conveyed Wednesday to U.S. Special Envoy Steve Witkoff in Moscow, set off a diplomatic scramble to get further clarity on details of the
What? What? For pink eye?
What? Oh boy.
European accent. That's Stephen Murphy's little brother.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Now, within I think a month or two, maybe sooner, Stephen made Rod a vampire by
Bad boys like us right here for the chit-chat.
Really? Okay, let's pull over up here.
Use the right lane to stay on US 23 South.
Come on, dude. Really? Really?
Continue on US 23 South for 1 mile.
Yeah.
Great gas mileage.
Well, hopefully I'll get that done. I just got to get through the summer, and then I can.
Bro. Nah, that was all stop sign, bro.